The other section as the school administrator that you may be interested in are the reports that you get generated from the students that work on FCAT Explorer. So if you navigate to the Reports tab, again right here they're all listed also. We're going to go to Reports. There's 3 different kinds of reports: student performance, class performance, and school performance. We're going to start with the performance report, and you're going to select which one of the programs that FCAT Explorer has that your school is using. So since this is a middle school, I'm going to select the Reading Factory 6th grade benchmarks. And these are your NGSS benchmarks. They have not changed over to Common Core yet. Organized by benchmark or body of knowledge. I'm going to keep it as benchmark, and I'm going to run the report. And you'll notice what you have is green is correct without instructional feedback. So what that means is these students got it correct on the first try. If it is in this yellow color, it's correct with instructional feedback. So they didn't get it right on the first try. They needed some added tools to have success. And then this area here, the cranberry color, they just did not get it correct. So you can kind of go down the benchmarks and see what they have for the reports for the school, and notice the number of items answered. So that does come into play, that this one there was only 12 questions that pertain to this benchmark, and if you hover over the benchmark it will tell you what the benchmark was. The next one is the class performance report. So here's where you actually pick your class. And I'm just going to go with the first one on the list. You can organize the report by benchmark, and you can also select if you want it to be just the first pass only, which that means is the first time they went through it and what their responses were, whether they got it right or wrong. So you're only going to see data for the first try, not with any of the hints that they give them, so they can go back and try again. So I click Run Report, and same type of color scheme. So this is their benchmark, this is the item type, it's multiple choice, and the number of items answered. So this class hadn't really worked that long in the program, but at least it gives you a pretty good idea of what the reports would look like and what the data shows. And then the last one is the student performance report, and I'm going to click select, and this is where you can select specific students if you want to, and same thing, organized by skill or passage. This is a little different. Passage would be by the story that they read and the questions that followed, and the skill would be each passage has questions that go along with it, and there's all varied skills that are measured within those passages. So that would show you your skill, and then you have the different passes here, or you can select the date range. Run report. So what you'll see is we're pulling the data for all students. It shows you the data for each one of your students. So you can go down the list to see how your students performed on this activity.